Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. It's a January evening. It's kind of like dusk time. I plan on doing a walk from the Hard Rock, which is where I am in front of right now. You can see the steel pier behind me, all the way to the Tropicana where I want to do a slot pull, and that will be a separate video. But it's a beautiful evening. It's clear out. It's not that cold. Again, it's January, but for January, not that cold. There seems to be more people than usual on the boardwalk this time of the year. So let's check everything out and head over to the Tropicana. By the time we get there, it's probably going to be dark time. I'll do a little commentating along the way down to the Tropicana, but I'm mostly going to keep the background sounds up and a little music in the background for the mood. Beautiful sunset tonight on the boardwalk. Again, I'll interrupt every once in a while with some commentary. I can't help myself, but enjoy the walk, guys. So I mentioned just a little while ago, I haven't walked that far, how comfortable it was out, but I can definitely feel the temperature dropping. The weather channels are saying tomorrow there will be snow here in Atlantic City. Of course, I'm staying at the Hard Rock, so I'm going to have to leave in the morning and drive through that. Hopefully it'll be rain. Usually it's rain along the coast unless it's really cold, and I don't think it's going to be that cold, so we'll see. We'll see when I wake up. Behind me, Tennessee Avenue, becoming more and more popular. It's part of the Orange Loop, which in the past year or two has seen the rise of lots of new restaurants, lounges, bars, cafes, and a lot of talk on the internet as far as bloggers, podcasts, and vloggers like myself, just making this place more and more popular. People are coming off the boardwalk and going up the street a block or two. How dare they? Lots to see and do here in the Orange Loop, including the Irish pub, which is right across the street. Behind me on my right, or your left I suppose, is the Atlantic Ocean, and it appears tonight the sun decided to set in the Atlantic instead of the Pacific, so maybe someone should alert the news media that something's wrong with the solar system tonight, but the sun does appear to be setting in the east tonight. Believe it or not, Ripley's is now closed here in Atlantic City.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
I'm thinking of spending Super Bowl evening here in Atlantic City at the Claridge like I did last year. Maybe make it a annual thing. Who knows? But I plan on visiting every sports book in every hotel and casino on the boardwalk during the game.
Last week in the New York Community Room, I posted an extreme close-up challenge of a bell tower here in Atlantic City. You guys guessed every place except the Wild Wild West. Back in the day, this section of the Atlantic City beach was called Chicken Bone Beach. It was designated as an exclusively African American section of beach around 1900. It remained a blacks-only beach until the 1964 Civil Rights Act was passed. Did you know the Rainforest Cafe was a Landry's restaurant? And did you also know that here in Atlantic City, other Landry restaurants include Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse at the Golden Nugget, the Chart House also at the Golden Nugget, McCormick and Schmidt's at Harrah's Hotel and Casino, and the Palm Restaurant in Tropicana. That's some pretty good company. My theory is back in the day, Landry's had a restaurant with a leaky roof. They decided instead of fixing the roof, let's just add some jungle sounds and call it the Rainforest Cafe. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. If you haven't noticed, that northern star that we've been following on the southern end of the boardwalk, again, something's wrong with the solar system tonight, is officially known as Caesar's Tropicanus.
I did a video a couple of years ago on the Adirondack chairs along the Atlantic City Boardwalk that have been painted. There are dozens, if not 100 or maybe 150 of them, all beautiful and each one unique, and I plan on doing another video on them soon. So there we have it, another boardwalk walk here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. From dusk to dark tonight. It's a winter's night. It's kind of chilly, but not like really cold. And I walked from the Hard Rock here to the Tropicana. I want to go inside and do a slot pull. Then I'm probably going to catch the jitney back to the Hard Rock because I don't feel like walking back. And I think if you put all the mileage that I did on this boardwalk together, I probably could have walked to Las Vegas. But you guys seem to enjoy the boardwalk videos, so here's another one for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you guys soon.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.